Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth from Alpha Phi, and today we're going to be making some spooky Halloween origami. And first off, we're going to start by making a pumpkin. So you're just going to need a square sheet of paper. I'm going to use orange, but you can use whatever color you want. And we're going to start off by taking our piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half, just like hot dog. Then we're going to unfold our piece of paper. And that line down the middle, we're going to get some scissors and we're going to cut that right down that line that we just made. So then you're going to have two equal pieces of paper. Alright, now that we have our piece of paper here, we're just going to take it and fold it almost like an S shape. So we have three equal parts. Just like this, you're going to want to crease the paper really well so it stays. And don't worry if it's not perfect, that's okay, your pumpkin's still going to look amazing in the end. Alright, now that we have our nice S shape, we're going to take it and we're going to reinforce that crease we already made with the right square. And then we're going to do the same on the left side. And then on the square on the right, we're going to take it and we're going to fold it in half just so the edge meets the crease that we made before. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left, so make sure that edge meets the crease. And then we're going to be ready for the next step. Okay, next comes the trickiest step, I promise. So first I'm going to show you here, and then we're going to watch the video again, just so you can see it multiple times. So in the last step, we were left off with this. So we're going to flip this over, and see I already made the creases just so it's easier, but we're going to take this and just this part, we're going to fold it this way to make this flap. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to fold it in like that. So we have this kind of flap here, just like that. And now we're going to watch it again in the video to my right, just so you can see it a little bit better. And if it seems a little bit tricky, don't feel bad. I had a hard time with it the first time too. So just pause the video if you need to and go through the steps again. We made it past the hardest part, so now we're just going to take these little flaps here in the middle and we're going to make a tiny little triangle with those. And we're just going to repeat that 3 more times, so we're going to end up with 4 triangles total in the middle. So after we finished folding our triangles in the last step, we're going to unfold everything in our piece of paper. And as you see, we're going to have these little triangles. And we're going to push these in and fold along the creases that we already made. I know it seems a little scary, it might seem kind of hard, but you'll get the hang of it and just kind of go with how the paper wants to fold, and you should get it right. And you're just going to repeat this for all of the triangles that we made in the last step. And then you're going to have a shape that looks just like this. And once again, feel free to pause the video and repeat it just if you need some extra help. So once again, for the next step, I think it's going to be a little bit easier for you if I just show you the video rather than trying to talk you through it. So here it is, and just follow the steps and you'll be great. Alright, we made it to the last step. So lastly, we're just going to fold down the corners on each side into a triangle shape to make that kind of rounded pumpkin look. And we're just going to do that on all the sides. And then when we're done, we're going to get to decorate our pumpkin however you'd like. Hopefully it'll look a little bit better than mine, but that's okay. Whatever your heart desires will be great. Now that we're all done making our pumpkins, I hope you guys had a great time, because I know I did. And I just want to wish you all a happy Halloween from Alpha Phi. Bye!